There is a crater of depth r upon 100 on the surface of the moon, where radius of moon is r and its mass is m. A projectile of mass m is fired vertically upwards from the crater with a velocity which is equal to the escape velocity v from the surface of the moon. Find the maximum height attained by the projectile. Before solving this problem, let's understand one concept. Suppose this is center and this is point which is at distance r from the center, and this is sphere or spherical body whose mass is capital M and radius is capital R. Then at this point, gravitational potential is equal to minus gm divided by r cube times 3 by 2 r square minus 1 by 2 small r square, and gravitational potential energy will be equal to minus gm small m divided by, if object is here of mass m and the mass of this solid sphere is capital M, then gmm divided by r cube times 3 by 2 r square minus 1 by 2 small r square. Now we will make use of this concept in solving the given question. So let's proceed. Now we apply energy conservation principle at point A and at point B. So at point A, total energy will be half m VA square plus gravitational potential energy must be equal to total energy at point B, that is UB, or 1 by 2 m VA square equal to UB minus UA, or we can further write 1 by 2 m, and the VA is given as 2 gm upon r, so square root, so it will become, when squared it will give 2 gm divided by small capital R, and this can be written as m times VB potential at B minus potential at A. Now m will cancel out and 2 will also cancel out, and then we will be left with gm upon r capital M equal to potential at B minus potential at A. Now let's proceed. So next step will be gm divided by r equal to potential at B, so which is at, this is r and this is h, to at height r plus h will be minus gm divided by r plus h and minus, so that will make it plus, and here we have to find potential at this point as I told you earlier at distance r, so that will be equal to gm divided by r cube and within bracket 3 by 2 r square minus 1 by 2 small r square. In our question, this distance from here, from surface to this point, is given as r by 100. So, and this total distance is r. So this small r will be 99 r by 100. So we can put value of small r. So we get, First, before solving it, we must cancel this gm from every term. So we will get 1 upon r equal to minus 1 upon r plus h, and from here we can put the value. So 1 upon r cube, and this will give 3 by 2 r square minus 1 by 2, and r square, that is r square multiplied by 99 by 100 square, that is 0.99 whole square. So r square we can take common. So 1 upon r equal to minus 1 upon r plus h, plus when we take r square common, then from here r square will cancel out and 1 upon r will be left. 1 upon r, then 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 multiplied by 0.99 whole square. Now we can simplify it to get h, which will come to be h equal to 99.5 r, which is our answer. Thank you.